If you pull up at the gas pump and this happens to you, you can't get your gas flap open. I'm the Handy Newsman with a house hack for you, or car hack in this case. How to get this flap open in a crunch in seconds. So check this out. Every car has a side compartment like this, usually right behind that gas flap. So what we're going to do first is we're going to open it up, and do that just by pulling on it. Okay, now once you get this off, behind here is the release mechanism for your gas cap. So here's what's going on. This is the inside of your gas cap flap, and this thing is the electric motor that locks your gas cap flap. So the way this works is the motor sticks this post out into a hook inside your gas cap flap, and then this post locks that hook in place, so your gas cap cannot open unless your car is unlocked. So what happened here is the motor, the electric motor, failed, so the post was locked in place even though we were unlocking the doors. Simple solution: stick your hand in, pull that post out, and then your gas cap is going to unlock. And a pro tip for you, the way I solved this problem permanently, I didn't try and mess with putting a new motor in or spend money on buying a new motor. I just unplugged the plug that was sending power to that motor. So yeah, it's never going to lock again, but I also don't have to worry about it never unlocking when I need it.